And hi, I'm back again. This is Sahid. I'm super excited to be here. This is welcoming you back to our channel where we discuss everything migration abroad, infotainment, healthy lifestyle, classic shows, and so on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so right now. Like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that all-important notification so you don't miss out on our future videos. So what are we talking about today? Let's get down to business.
Today we are discussing the latest UK visa sponsorship pathways and job opportunities for foreign skilled workers to move to the United Kingdom. Are you ready to transform your future with the latest United Kingdom job opportunities? The UK is opening doors to foreign skilled workers worldwide. Get on board now. The United Kingdom UK is actively seeking skilled professionals across various sectors, offering a range of work opportunities and visa pathways. With significant demand in fields like healthcare, technology, artificial intelligence, and construction, international workers can find rewarding careers while addressing critical skill shortages in the UK. The UK is grappling with shortage of skilled workers across various sectors, prompting the government to open its doors to foreign professionals. The United Kingdom is facing a growing demand for skilled professionals with significant skill shortages across various industries. Therefore, in order to bridge this gap, the country offers a range of work visa options, making it easier for international talent to fill these high-demand roles. In other words, in response, the UK has streamlined its work visa programs, offering skilled foreign workers ample opportunities to fill these crucial roles. Whether you're an engineer, healthcare worker, construction worker, or AI specialist, the UK's work visa programs provide excellent opportunities for skilled professionals looking to advance their careers while addressing the nation's critical skill shortages. How the skill shortages have created opportunity as the UK is facing a shortage of skilled workers, particularly in sectors such as science, technology, engineering, mathematics called STEM, healthcare, construction, among others. This high demand presents excellent opportunities for international workers, as UK employers are eager to sponsor qualified foreign talent to fill these roles. Which sectors are in high demand in the UK right now?
As of September 2024, several sectors in the UK are experiencing huge skill shortages. Here are the top skills in demand in the UK right now. 1. Science, technology, engineering, mathematics called STEM. The UK's growing investment in research and innovation has led to a shortage of skilled professionals in engineering. Data science and IT. Several STEM professionals are in high demand with attractive salary packages and visa sponsorship opportunities, including software engineers, data scientists, teachers, and so on. With qualifications in engineering field, computer science, data science, statistics, education, etc. required, and salaries in the range of £35,000 to £100,000. Top companies in this field include Google, Amazon, Microsoft, BBC, Lloyds, and so on. 2. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. With the UK advancing in AI, experts in data analytics and machine learning are highly sought after with competitive salaries and career growth opportunities. Competitive salaries and fast-tracked career growth make this a top choice for foreign workers. Several AI professionals are in high demand with attractive salary packages and visa sponsorship opportunities, including AI specialists with qualification in artificial intelligence required and salaries in the range of £50,000 to £100,000. Top companies in this field include Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Facebook, and so on. 3. Healthcare professions. An aging population and increased healthcare needs have created shortages of healthcare workers, including doctors, nurses, and pharmacists. International healthcare professionals are being actively recruited to fill these roles. Several healthcare professionals are in high demand with attractive salary packages and visa sponsorship opportunities, including physicians, nurses, and pharmacists, and so on, with qualifications and degrees in medicine, nursing, pharmacy, etc. required, as well as relevant registration with regulatory bodies, and salaries in the range of 30,000 to over 100,000 British pounds. Top companies in this field include the NHS, Care UK, Superdrug, Lloyds Pharmacy, and so on. For construction and skilled trades, the UK lacks sufficient construction workers, electricians, and plumbers. With a booming construction sector and insufficient numbers of local tradespeople have created openings for electricians, plumbers, and builders. The UK is focused on bringing in qualified workers from abroad to meet the rising demand. Several construction professionals are in high demand with attractive salary packages and visa sponsorship opportunities, including construction workers, electricians, and plumbers, and so on, with certified apprenticeship required and salaries in the range of 25,000 to 60,000 British pounds. Top companies in this field include Schneider Electric, Balfour Beatty, and so on.
How can you find authorized employers for visa sponsorship jobs? To work in the UK, you must find an employer licensed to sponsor work visas. Here's how to verify potential employers. Number 1. Visit the UK government's register of licensed sponsors via www.gov.uk. The link is provided in the description box. Number 2. Search for your potential employer's name. Number 3. Ensure the employer's sponsorship license is valid for your job type. You can then go on their official website and see their career page for current job opportunities. What are the various UK work visa options for skilled workers? The UK offers several work visa options for skilled professionals looking to build their careers in the country. These visas come with specific requirements, making it essential for prospective applicants to understand which visa suits their qualifications and career path. So what are the key work visa options in the UK? The UK provides a range of work visas to attract skilled workers across various sectors. Below are the most common visas for international professionals. 1. Skilled Worker Visa. Skilled Worker Visa is the most popular route for professionals looking to work in the UK. It allows individuals to work in eligible roles for approved employers who hold a sponsorship license. What are the key requirements? A job offer from a UK-based licensed sponsor. A certificate of sponsorship called COS from your employer. Minimum salary requirement of £26,200 per year or the going rate for your job, whichever is higher. Proof of English language proficiency equivalent to at least B1 level on the Common European Framework of Reference. So what is the application process? Secure a job offer with visa sponsorship. Receive a certificate of sponsorship from your employer. Submit your online visa application with all required documents. Pay the visa application fee £610 to £1,400 and immigration health surcharge £624 per year. Provide biometrics at a visa application center. 2. Health and Care Worker Visa. This visa is designed for healthcare professionals, including doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and other medical staff, who wish to work in the UK's National Health Service (NHS) or for other approved health and care providers. What are the key requirements? A job offer in an eligible health or social care role. A certificate of sponsorship from a licensed sponsor. A minimum salary of £20,960 per year. Proof of English language proficiency. What are the benefits? Reduced visa application fees. Exemption from the immigration health surcharge. What about the application process? This is similar to the skilled worker visa but with a specific focus on health and social care roles. 3. Global Talent Visa. Global Talent Visa is aimed at highly skilled individuals in fields like science, engineering, digital technology, and arts. It allows visa holders to work without a job offer, provided they have been endorsed as a leader or emerging talent by a recognized UK body. What are the key requirements? Endorsement from an approved body. Proof of exceptional talent or promise in your field. No minimum salary requirement. So what is the application process? Apply for endorsement through a recognized body. Once endorsed, submit your visa application with supporting documents. Pay the visa application fee £623 and immigration health surcharge. 4. Temporary work, seasonal worker visa. Seasonal worker visa is available for individuals looking to work in the UK's agricultural sector for up to 6 months. What are the key requirements? A job offer from a licensed sponsor. Proof of enough money to support yourself. £1,270 in your bank account for 28 days. So what is the application process? Obtain a certificate of sponsorship from a licensed sponsor. Submit your online visa application. Pay the visa application fee £259. Provide biometrics. So how do you apply for a UK work visa once you've chosen the visa that fits your situation? The application process typically involves these steps. Find a job with visa sponsorship for relevant visa. S like the skilled worker or health and care worker visa. Receive a certificate of sponsorship. COS. Your employer will provide this reference number for your visa application. Prepare your application. Gather necessary documents such as your COS, proof of qualifications, and evidence of English language proficiency. Apply online. Complete your visa application through the UK Visa and Immigration website. Pay fees. The cost of a visa depends on the type and duration, ranging from £259 to £1,400 Don't forget the immigration health surcharge if applicable. Attend a biometrics appointment. Visit a visa application center to provide fingerprints and a photograph. Wait for a decision. UK work visa applications usually take up to 8 weeks to process.
What about visa extensions and permanent residency? Most UK work visas allow for extensions, enabling professionals to stay longer or even apply for permanent residency. Indefinite leave to remain called IL are the typical eligibility for permanent residency is after 5 years of continuous residence under a work visa. What are you waiting for? The UK offers various work visa options tailored to different professions, from healthcare workers to tech specialists, construction workers, and so on. Understanding the specific requirements and benefits of each visa can help you navigate the application process successfully. With the right visa, skilled professionals can access the wealth of opportunities the UK has to offer and advance their careers. Make your move now. Don't delay. And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding the latest UK visa sponsorship pathways and job opportunities for foreign skilled workers. Get down to work now. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our future videos. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us at blsinfo360@gmail.com and let's create this success story together. Thank you and see you at the next video.